Today we are talking about the Samson Meteor mic. Here are some features of the microphone. It's solid sound. It connects just with the USB. You can use it for podcasting, game casting. I've used it for a few things personally, and it just sits nice and easy on your desk. Let's get this bad boy out. So if we go ahead and open up the box, the first thing you're going to notice is that it comes with 3/4 things. So the first is the manual. You then got the cable. It just is a plug and play cable, so it's the easiest thing to do. There's an individual cable for that microphone. It won't connect to most other devices. That's what you get all in the box. If we go on to actually setting it up, you can see that I've got it ready for us here. The first thing you're going to notice is that it's a pretty heavy microphone. So it's heavy, it's solid, it's robust. It's very, very heavy indeed. It's a heavy duty microphone. It's made of metal, completely made of metal. There's no rubber, no plastic, none of that. So it's just a metal microphone. But you can see the issue there is that on a very smooth surface, it might struggle to stay up, right? Those are rubber pads on the bottom of the microphone legs there. They don't always do a very good job. So they might induce just that right there. They might be sliding around the place. So your job is to make the surface as unsmooth as possible. The best I found is just a mouse pad, just like that, as you can see there. If you look on the microphone there, you can then see that you can also angulate the legs so that you can get a sound coming in a different direction in front of the microphone. Okay, this is a unidirectional microphone, which means, as you saw there, it doesn't go around the microphone. So sometimes you're gonna have to point it like that so that you can get it closer to your sound. Check out that this microphone's legs, you can actually angle them so that you can reach your voice or your mouth easier, or whatever else you might want. Okay, it is a unidirectional microphone, not an omnidirectional. You have to be facing where I was pointing just there, not around the whole microphone. On the front of the microphone, you can see that we've got a dial. This dial is your volume, but it's only your volume from your headset, which is plugged in on the back. This volume that you change here will not change the volume of the recording. If you go to the back, you'll see that you've got your headset jack and your USB cable device. Please bear in mind that the cable won't fit other devices like phones. It'll just fit this device. On the bottom of the mic, you can see that you can actually connect this to other booms and other stands. So you can put it up, as you can see what I'm trying to emulate or simulate here. You can actually put it up and out of the way as well. So this is just me showing off the length of the cable. It's a very long cable. You're never going to have an issue trying to connect this thing to something else. You can connect it to a computer and take this microphone to another desk somewhere. It's that long. It's also that easy. You plug it in. Once you've got it set up, you're going to go ahead and turn on your computer. You'll then see the light actually turning into what it's really meant to be. So it's a blue light. It'll start red. Okay, that's just my microphone picking stuff up. That button there, that is a mute button. So you press it.
Sorry, it's for a microphone.
Mute. That mute, by the way, will be muted for you in the microphone as well as for other people who are listening to the microphone as well. So just be aware of that. Okay. So you can see that this microphone doesn't take up so much desk space. You might need this little mouse pad or something there, but really it's just the microphone. As for design, you can clearly see that this is a beautifully crafted microphone. I've always been happy with it. I enjoyed my time with the Samson Meteor mic a lot. You do also get this microphone in different colors. You can get it in black, and I think you can get it in a lighter color than this. I'll put all the links in the description. And this is pretty much all the space that you'll need for this microphone. Alternatively, if you want clearer sound, then you want to put it more in front of you like this. The third option is to spread the legs out and put it onto a higher up surface to reach your mouth, but just note the distance away from you. So the baggie that you get looks like this. It'll fit all things: the cable, the microphone, and the manual. By the way, this user manual is a very good manual. It is actually a worthwhile manual. As for portability, you can see that you really can just stuff it all. You do have to fold the manual, but you just stuff it in this bag and you'll never have a problem taking this thing wherever you want to go. Especially because it's so heavy and long lasting that it doesn't really matter if it gets banged a little bit, but obviously you shouldn't do that. There are cases which are stronger and more robust to carry this thing around because it is an expensive microphone. Again, links in the description there for you. Same with the boom stands. If you want additional boom stands or additional stands that connect to your desk, again, check the links below. My final thoughts on the Samson Meteor mic. Number one, it is a very robust and strong microphone. It'll last you very many years if you look after it. And the only thing that might not last is the cable. It is a downside because the cable doesn't connect to most devices. It's a very specific cable, so you will have to go out and find that cable. But that's the only issue with this microphone. You could, while shopping, just search for the same cable and buy two of the same just to be safe. The other thing about this microphone is that these newer microphones, the newer versions of this microphone, are even better than my old version. I thoroughly enjoyed my old version. But now, and I do have links in the description if you want to go and see videos of me using the microphone. This microphone is the one that I wanted to use forever and ever, and then I found this microphone which I've got in front of me. I'll leave, again, links to this in the description to this microphone here. This is an RGB microphone I've got now. So if you like this sound, this is a more environment sound, okay? You'll hear that, I've played drums and this thing has picked it up. Whereas the Samson Meteor mic, that's where that thing might not do so well. The mic is very good for precision sound. So anything close to you, anything instrumental, but if it's instrumental, then you need a little bit of distance. You just gotta play around with the microphone. But when it comes to USB microphones, especially condenser quality microphones, I haven't found one that beats this one. I haven't. This is the best one that I've found, and I've really enjoyed it. The specs are amazing. The microphone just keeps getting better and better every time I don't know. I don't even think it's like models or newer models or anything. It's just that as time goes on, they're just making these but better quality. And that's fantastic news, especially because the price doesn't seem to be going up. In fact, it seems to be going down. So it's a really, really awesome microphone, and I super thoroughly enjoy my time with it. And I hope you do too. So go check out the links in the description. Also, guys, please subscribe, like, leave a comment. Tell me what you think about this review. I've got one or two other Samson Meteor mic reviews out. I'm doing different reviews on the same thing in different styles of videos so that I can see what does best and what I should be working with in the future. It's a cool way to get all the information out without making a 50-minute video. But at the same time, I want you guys to actually leave comments for me saying, I like this video the most. Or if you go to a different Samson Meteor mic video and you prefer that one, you say, oh, I like this one more, or something like that. Just let me know in the comments. You know, let's make this a little thing, a back and forth thing. I want you to be engaging with me. By the way, I've got drone courses online as well. I've got links in the description below. There is free courses for a little bit. I don't know if this video will be inside that, but it should be. Just go check it out. Either way, subscribe and hit the notification bell, because I'll be releasing my courses. As I make courses, I will release them for free as promo. And secondly, just as I feel generous, I will just release my courses as well out there for you guys. So you guys just gotta subscribe and be active on the channel, and you're gonna get the bonuses and the benefits, okay? Okay. Right, guys, thank you very much. I'll see you in the next review. Wednesdays and Fridays, peeps. I'm trying Monday as well, but Wednesdays and Fridays, that's my goal.